Welcome to Bacho ki Duniya, where learning is fun every day. Hello kids, welcome to Bacho ki Duniya. Today we'll learn colors with finger painting.
Let's start with the color red. Red like an apple. Yellow like the bright sun. Yeah.
Now comes BLUU, blue like the sky and the ocean.
Green like the grass and trees.
Let's mix blue and yellow to make green. Wow! Now make your own colorful art. Hearts, stars, or flowers.
Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.